Interesting topic today, how to score 90% in boards. Throughout my life, I was never the topper types. I was always, I don't know Kabir, but I was always the 85s, 87s type.
Mm.
But I ended up getting 90% in boards. And I here to share my experience of how it's done. Hopefully, people who are like me, who are like the average types, can make that jump when it really matters.
So I know a bit about jumps. So I
Mhm.
scored 57% in boards. No, sorry, no, not in boards.
Not in
57 in
boards.
11th grade. In 11th grade, and I scored 96% aggregate in 12th. Right,
Yeah.
and definitely Mithil or maybe यही common है. We're very ambitious, but again, as ambitious as we are, we still need to score marks if you want to
Yeah.
prove to your parents that you want to do this या फिर मुझे ये करना है वो करना है.
Another reason why I think that scoring what happens when you score well in boards is for the rest of your life, you'll always have that sense of like, ki, I did something. Like, because I think
Hmm.
board exams is the first part of life where you work hard and you achieve something and then you realize the value of that hard work that you did. So I think it's very
हाँ.
important to score well in boards.
No, definitely. But the thing is, so one thing that I've always heard from my parents, which I'm sure you guys also must have, is that they always say, कि board के marks तो भाई तुम्हारे साथ life long है. So I think it's a big point. So if you score well in boards, you can have it like it's like your flex. Like I scored 96 in boards. Like I can tell people that and they'll be like, oh, मतलब इसने मेहनत करी and stuff.
Hmm.
So एक तो वो चीज हमेशा you can always have it with you.
Okay, let's debunk some myths of board exams.
Yeah.
Myth number one: board exams are always easier than the school exams.
Yeah.
True or
Yeah.
false?
Very true. Very, bro, that's like the truest thing
Very true.
I've ever heard of. Like,
Yeah.
trust me, स्कूल के एग्जाम्स ना भाई बहुत डिफिकल्ट होते हैं. बोर्ड एग्जाम्स आर नॉट एट ऑल डिफिकल्ट. दे आर नॉट डिफिकल्ट.
Yeah. And okay, myth number two: the correction in board exams is easier than what it's done in school.
Like the checking pattern and all, no?
Yeah, the checking pattern and all, like
So,
more leniency.
not necessarily, no.
Interesting.
मतलब it depends school to school मेरे experience में, because I had like this question in economics and I feel I fought for it and I only got a 2 mark का increase. So मतलब अगर because the thing is with teachers in school you can like go to them if you feel like your answer was justified but they didn't give marks. In boards, please don't think so कि तुम risk ले सकते हो, because once you've scored the amount, trust me, उतना ही रहता है.
To a point, it's easier than it seems. Do you think that? Is it easier than it seems?
Boards, like
Yeah.
studying for boards.
Like doing well in boards. No.
There's a difference. There's a difference. See, there's like studying for the boards, and then there's like doing well in the exam. Even though both are obviously very highly correlated, but scoring in boards is easy. But the thing is, to break that 90% का threshold is the difficult part. Score pass करने में कोई problem नहीं है, pass कोई भी कर ले. But the problem is to break that 93, 94 का barrier.
Correct. Okay, so now let's just get into some tips of how you can make that jump. Okay. First tip, I don't know how to name this. It sounds very cliched, but you'll understand the importance of it once you've actually done well, right? It's be consistent. Now, be consistent doesn't mean study every day for 56 hours. Be consistent means that even though there will be days in this whole 1 year that you won't feel like touching the book, but in those days, even if you get a 30-minute session done or a 40-minute session done, all that compounds to you having a difference against your competitors, even though boards is not a competitive exam. But what I'm trying to say is that those days where you don't feel like studying at all, get that 30-minute session in, get that 45-minute session in, and that will make a huge difference, trust me.
I mean, that's a really good tip. Like, people don't understand. We also had days where we didn't want to study, but the
Yeah.
thing is it's always that 30 minute ki chal thoda chapter pad liya, thoda kar liya,
Correct.
which makes
Correct.
that leap happen, right?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
might have
Yeah.
just scored 92, but अगर वो आधा घंटा नहीं पढ़ोगे ना तुम, and I think like that's a really good tip that Mithil gave is कि you got to be consistent. My tip would be that you really got to want it. Like it's a different thing from having it as a goal. Goals सबके होते हैं, but you got to want it. You have to want that amount of marks in your boards, because the thing is I got marks in boards, he got marks in boards, not because we just studied, because studying is not the most difficult part. It's key. First you need to learn how to write that long, then it's like you got to fix your answers, the way you frame them. There are a lot of things you got to consider when you're writing an answer also. So वही चीज होती है, you got to fix every little nook and nanny when you're studying for the boards.